welcome back. This is Brad with Brad Unboxing. I hope that you had a great Valentine's Day or Single Awareness Day if that's how you choose to celebrate. I, of course, was spoiled by my husband. He did go to Swarovski and they had a special going on that if you bought a certain amount of merchandise and you get a free bottle. So I did get a new water bottle for work, and then just pull a bag out. Also picked up one of their crystalline pins. This is the one that actually has the little heart bangle on it, I guess, or charm. That's what the word I was looking for. In pink color, because why not? It was Valentine's. And then the last item is one that I have been actually looking at, getting myself for quite a while. It is actually part of their men's line, in their fashion and accessories, their jewelry line, and that is actually the men's tennis bracelet, which is beautiful. It goes perfectly with my wedding ring, which of course is not Swarovski. This is from a different jeweler, but they both sparkle. I was wearing it all weekend long. I would catch a glimmer of this in my eye and be like, oh, what's that? But I definitely did get spoiled by him. And there's one other piece that he did buy, but unfortunately when the staff was packing it up at the store, it did get a little broken. Just a tiny piece fell off, so that has already been shipped out to the Rhode Island location for Swarovski repairs, and we're just waiting on that to come back. And once it does, I will then do a unboxing. To date, it will be the largest and most expensive piece that I have ever had from Swarovski. But enough about that. Today, our unboxing is actually going to be a piece that I did a pull on a couple weeks ago. I believe it was in January, where it was either the Enchanted Rose from Disney, which I did unbox because that was what won the poll, or it was the unicorn. So again, here's the box. Got my information on the outside when I purchased. Got that nice double boxing, which I do love. Open this right up. There is our document inside that we always look for, and then our phone, and there is our beautiful fairytale magic little unicorn. So let me go ahead and get some gloves on, and we'll go ahead and pull this guy or girl right out of the box. All right, so we have the gloves on. Let's go ahead and go straight into this and get her out. We're gonna go with it being her. Probably won't stand up in my hand, but here she is with the beautiful multiple colors that they have done. We've got that beautiful purple crystal as well as the pink, and all the way here on the back, as well as a little bit of hair above the unicorn horn itself, we do have that beautiful yellow. But it's so pretty. This is actually, I'm a big unicorn fan, and when I saw this piece in the store, it was one of those moments where it's like, I have to have it. I don't care, it don't work, I have to have it. I'm not gonna wait for it to try to go on clearance or get it somewhere else for cheaper. I don't care, I want it. So I got this, and what's interesting to know is Swarovski actually has done multiple iterations of the unicorn. Most of them a lot larger than this piece, but this is actually the first piece that they did in a color crystal, which they haven't done before specifically for the unicorn figurine. But let's go ahead and take a closer look. Sprinkle some fairytale magic into your collection with this cute unicorn. The much loved creature is brought to life in clear, pink, yellow, and purple crystal. A mystical symbol of enchantment and elegance, this charming depiction would make a lovely gift. Also, you can purchase the Swarovski Dragon and Pegasus, which would make that perfect magical fairytale storybook trio to any collection. I actually don't have the Dragon or Pegasus, but they are around the same size, have the exact same beautiful expression to them. It's beautiful crafted. Their colors are amazing. It's not just clear crystal. There's purples and greens and blues, and they make a beautiful trio when they're all next to each other. At some point I will probably get the other two just to complete that set. All right, now we've taken an up close look of this beautiful unicorn in that 4 colors of crystal. Again, that is clear, pink, purple, and yellow. Beautiful colors. This one we don't actually have a facet count from Swarovski, and I'm not even going to try to dive in to count these, but we're probably going to assume that it would at least be over 50, which again is a pretty big feat given that this device, or I'm sorry, this piece, I don't know why I say device, second video I've done that, but this piece, when looking at it from foot to top of the horn, isn't even greater than maybe 2 inches. So another cherished piece in my collection. Glad I was able to share it with you today. So thank you again for coming to watch this video. I hope you have a great rest of your Wednesday. I'm definitely going to hopefully get out and enjoy some beautiful weather here in Hawaii. Again, this is Brad with Brad Unboxing.